recording. Hey guys, my name is Ben, and this is my grandfather over here. I'm kidding. Hey guys, my name is Ben. This is Terry. We're on our way down to Seneca Creek. Backpacking trip, multi-day backpacking trip, so it should be pretty cool. You getting excited?
Big time.
Big time. Terrible driver, by the way. Right. There we go. So guys, we're getting started. This is our very first multi-day backpacking trip. I'm Ben, this is Terry, and we are in Spruce Knob, Seneca Creek area, and we're going to take you along. First trip, hopefully we don't die. I guess we're about, what, 2 hours in? Is that what I said it was? 2.5 hours in?
Yeah.
And is it Huckleberry Trail? Is that what we're looking at? Huckleberry Trail?
Yep.
Yep.
And,
about 2 miles.
Ben had to eat already.
Gotta eat. I'm a grown boy.
And
Terry broke one of his sticks already. His walking stick.
lose weight.
Got some duct tape fixed right up. Trails are pretty rocky, and making some decent time. Another 2 or 3 miles, make our first camp, and set up our tents for the first time since we did not practice that.
Who needs practice?
Who needs practice, right? Going pretty good so far. Haven't fell yet. Trying out my new hat. My wife says hats make my head look even bigger than what it is. It's already pretty big to begin with. So she's gonna love the video with the hat on. I forgot it was on. So love you, dear.
Get some of you.
Look at that, man. That's freaking awesome. Alright, so we switched trails. What's the name of this trail? Judy Springs. The view is pretty badass. See if you can look around. That's pretty sweet. A good old time. We're about 5 miles in, something like that. Yeah, going pretty well.
Yeah.
Terry's not crying too bad. There we go. So we found our first water source. A little thirsty. I don't know about Terry, but I'm about out of water, so this is like perfect timing. And this is the Judy, or was it Judy Springs Creek, something like that? I don't know. Some chick's name. But we actually have water now, and I think there's a campsite real close. Probably gonna call this home for the night. How you feeling? No, we're camping. It looks like you're at a spa. What's around your neck? What is that?
Oh, that's my spa towel.
How many daughters do you have?
I just have the one, yes. And she's awesome. She's my angel, and couldn't ask for a better daughter. Just in case I die, just want to know I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you.
Good morning, day 2. We hiked about 6 miles the first day. Excuse me, made a cup of coffee. We already had our breakfast. As you can see, we're about as neat here as we are at home. Looks like you can see all our crap over the ground. But slept pretty good. Heard something in the middle of the night. Spooked us a little bit, playing around with our water over there. But wasn't nothing major. We survived.
Great.
When did that happen?
Yeah,
crap.
when that happened, shit, you've been great for 10 years now.
Made breakfast, made some coffee, feeling pretty good. Did 6 miles yesterday. We're going to do between just 2 and maybe 5 miles today, depending on how long the creek is down here, because we want to spend some extra time taking some pictures and stuff. Stretching, a lot of guys are doing this in 2 days. We're going to do it in 4. Because
2 days is unbelievable.
You do have a big old nasty cut on top of your head.
Yeah, I freaking ran. Of course, that's me. I always get hurt, get cut. every time I go out in the woods.
Terry versus tree. Terry won, or tree won.
Yeah, definitely.
So I just wanted to show, this is why we came here. Cool little creek running through here. Pretty impressive waterfall over here. Taking some pictures here with a, this is just a Nikon D5500. It's small and light. It's not full frame or anything, but easy to pack, and I do not regret carrying it. Here we go. That water's a little cold. So we made it to the falls, or whatever the heck this thing's called.
Man, is that far beautiful.
We're going down there. That is incredible. So we found our campsite for the night. If you can see it right down there, we're going to camp in this little shelf here, close to our waterfall. You probably can't see that yet. So we found our campsite. This is where we're going to be for the night. Start a little fire. We got some chairs already set up for us, little rock chairs. How cool is that? And way back there, and you can't see it, about 200, what is that, about maybe 200 yards to the waterfall. Alright guys, we made camp. Oh, I can't see him too close. There's the sun behind me. There's Terry Bear over there, chilling out on her fancy furniture, rock furniture.
Just made it.
So Terry found some apples, and I'm making some tea here with apples in them. Oops, there it is. Put some apples inside there, heat it up. It's probably gonna taste like crap.
No.
Terry put some nuts in his coffee.
Nuts in his coffee. No, I put a chocolate candy bar.
So this is our little camp for the night. We're gonna set up our tents later. It is only 1 o'clock. We're gonna take an easy day today. Still have not really seen any wildlife at all. No bears, no snakes. We saw one, wasn't sure if it was an owl or what was it, grouse. It could have been something kind of.
Grouse flies different.
Yeah, does it?
Probably a baby owl.
Probably definitely an owl, a little bigger. Seems like it got a thicker body in it. There you go. Great. Making my tea. I'm gonna taste it. Actually, it's way too freaking hot.
Well, you boiled the dang water. It's gonna take a while.
Alright. Bugs.
I was gonna say, did you put any bug spray on? I have yet to put it on.
It's fine everywhere. We're gonna put our tents right over in here, this area, and we wake up tomorrow morning. I don't know if you can see this in the video. There's a waterfall back there. That's what we're gonna wake up to. We'll walk right down here and show you. Just about 150 yards from where our tents will be is this beautiful scene right here. How freaking awesome is that? Going for a little walk. Probably gonna break my neck. Got my tea. Gotta walk back here by this waterfall. See the waterfall? There it is. Pretty sweet. Alright.
You got the whole view in it?
Yeah. Put the whole camping stuff. So we're caught in a pretty good rainstorm. I'm recording a little video. You should poke your head out and say hi. I can't hear anything you're saying.
Filming now?
Poke your head out. So we're in a little rainstorm. There's Bear Bear over there.
Bear Bear!
Is it raining?
Oh!
So it's still raining outside. I think we're screwed for the whole night. So I'll make some dinner. Having beef stew. Warm up some water. Terry Bear's over there taking a little nappy nap. Okay, so it's day 3. Morning. Rained all night. Terry's building a fire with a bunch of wet wood and leaves. Over here, while we were sleeping, during the storm, a tree fell. Probably 30 yards from my tent. You can see it fell down up over the hill. Luckily it fell that way. If it would have fell that way, it would have slid right into my tent. Probably wouldn't have killed me, but scared the crap out of me. Excuse me. Found out our second night camping. Looks like some mice got into my food bag. Haven't looked inside of it yet. Hopefully they didn't get any of the good stuff. Terry got us a good fire going. After a cold night, got down to 40, what did I say it was, 46?
44, 45, 46.
Between 44 and 46 degrees, somewhere in there. Now we got a fire. Now we can eat what's left of my food. Yeah, so even though we used a bear bag, mice still got in there, chewed through the side. Luckily we didn't eat too much. The little sucker did poop right in my freaking bag, so I had to rinse that out. That sucked. Terry's crossing a little sketchy ass bridge. This trail definitely has not been traveled that often. Whew, don't fall down there.
Been attempting to cross the creek without getting wet.
Terry thought the regular trail wasn't tough enough.
Hey, let's go up the trail and venture off and make a shortcut, but make it a little bit more like a...
Yeah. So actually we missed our path. It wasn't marked. We walked right past it about like a mile, if not more. So we decided to make our own path. But now by looking at the map, we probably have 2.5 miles through steep terrain and hillsides and no trails. Pretty rocky stuff. So we're gonna make it work. We just climbed probably one of the steepest hills I've ever seen.
We made it up the mountain, 2 miles straight up.
That was a bit silly.
It was a good feeling getting on back on the trail. Now we're on the whatever trail.
I don't know what this is.
But all I gotta say, it feels good. Yeah. That's all I know. Sorry, I'd serenade you more, but it's not my cup of tea. I play the jams, I just don't sing the jams.
So right now we're walking down to where there's supposed to be a plane crash. 1973. 2 people died. And we're just gonna go check it out. We're not gonna disturb anything. So we're coming up on the plane crash now. Pretty crazy. I'm not even sure what section that could even be there. Piece of a wing, tail or something. Obviously don't fly planes. Alright guys, so it's day 4. We just broke camp. On about 100 yards, we're both exhausted. We're tired. How'd you sleep?
I slept great. I slept like a baby.
Last night was a good sleep. It was quiet. We're by the creek, but we got about 5 miles ahead of us. Back to the car. Here we go.
Don't shoot. Come on, sing along.
Terry,
shoot.
Terry's only known 2 songs this entire trip.
Me.
And it's getting kind of old. This is why I didn't bring a gun, because I probably would have shot him.
It feels good.
That's the other song he knows. That's it. There's the only 2 songs.
That's the only 2 songs I got for you.
And he only knows three words for every song. But it's been fun. So we are nearing the end of our trip. 20 plus miles. We're down to about the last 2/10 of a mile, 1/10 of a mile to get back to the car. Good trip, but I'm tired. Is that it? All right. There's the sign. There's the trailhead. Nobody else here, huh? There's Terry's lonely car. No one else here.